Good morning, class. So, chapter responsibility we are discussing. So many points of how to be responsible. Tips we have already discussed. Already 6 points we have discussed. Now today, the rest of the part we'll discuss about the tips that how you can be responsible. So for that, which points we have discussed, that we have to set our goals properly, we have to be persistent, we have to listen properly, then talk. We have to be control over ourselves, means have self control. Then we have decide that respect others opinion what they are telling, and we said that develop acceptance, we should accept whatever situations are there, what we are actually. So these are points already we have discussed. Now today we'll discuss more 6 points. So first is be optimistic. Be optimistic. What is the meaning of that? First one, be optimistic. Be optimistic means try to see all the situations positively. Positive is the word. If you are having with you, that means any problems can be solved. Positivity is every situation you have to see positively, then only you can solve it. So be optimistic like that. If you view life on a positive mode or positive side, it will help you to get stronger in whatever circumstances you are facing right now. Doesn't matter, you have to be positive. It is always healthier to have positive thoughts rather than the opposite. So, life is optimistic, try to view on that like see the life in positive way. So the point optimistic may be clear. What life, we have to see life towards positivity. If positive is there, positiveness is there, that means it is a healthier thought. Next, be open minded. Next point, be open minded. Don't be rigid, be open your mind to someone, means to whom you are talking, about the situations. Try to be open minded, don't just open your mouth, try to open your mind, try to open yourself properly. Open minded person always admits being wrong, whatever wrong right, you can take decision if your mind is open. So who thinks and opens his mind before opening his mouth. So I'm telling that only, don't just open your mouth, open your thinking, open your mind, then only all will be clarified. It is very important in life to be open minded. After that, be self confidence. Self confidence, be self confidence. Self confidence means yourself, it will help yourself without expecting other people to do it for you. Why to always carry over others? Why to always depends on others? Why it is? Be confident by your own, that you have your confidence to complete your work by alone. Why to depend? Yes, it is necessary in life to take help, but not always. So confident if you are having within yourself, then you can help yourself. The best way to gain your self confidence is by doing what you are afraid of. So the first way, what is afraiding of you? What is what you are feeling that I cannot do? This cannot possible for me. That way find, and that only can increase your confidence. What you cannot do, try to do that work, automatically your confidence level will be high. Understand? So don't be just afraid and say I cannot do this work. No, I cannot help, I cannot do this work, I need someone help. So it is wrong totally. The place where you are getting afraid, there only you can increase your confidence. So be always self confident. Next point, be contented, stop complaining. If you are having something with you, then only you can complain about other self. You don't have within yourself, why you are complaining others? So wise person, those who are having depth, they will not argue or complain about others or argue with anything. They know that what they are. So be contented. Number 4 we discussed, be content, be contented. A wise man knows how to be contented because he knows happiness comes from the contentment only. You will have something with you, then only you'll get happiness. So it's very bad to just complain about others or complain about the situations. Try to be contented, then all the problems will be solved. Make sacrifices. It's a very vital point. Make sacrifice. Step out of your comfort zone and make sacrifices wholeheartedly as long as you can, because it is a part of life. Sacrifice, not something to regret for, but something to aspire of. Means if you sacrifice, that doesn't mean you'll be low. You'll get lost. It's not like that. The thing is that sometimes sacrifice actually can aspire you something in life, can give you or gain you can gain something in life. So the point, sacrifice should be there with you. Try to sacrifice for others, not always, but whenever it is needed, try to sacrifice wholeheartedly. Then only in life you can aspire something. Don't think that sacrifice only the thing where all thing you can just lose. You can gain or aspire something from there. So be sacrifice or make sacrifices in life. What? Make sacrifices. Make sacrifices in life. Then last point, never blame others for your rejections or failures in life. Your failure, you are responsible enough. Don't just blame others that because of you I didn't get that one, because of you I cannot read properly so I fail in exam. This is not at all good. If you are responsible enough, then your fault, your responsibility, not others. So if you are blaming others for your failure, or if you are blaming others for your rejection in life, that is not a part of responsibility. If you are responsible enough, you will just take it very easily that my failure, I am responsible for that, not others. So with the right attitude, you can simply learn from your mistakes and accept the fact that you will really fail. Doesn't matter what is the reason you fail, you are responsible for that. Try to accept it, then only you can step or move forward in life. However, failures only teach you how to be strong in life. So if once you get failure, you can understand the meaning or the importance of success in life. So try to accept your failure. Don't just blame others. Try to accept your failure so that from that failure you will learn some lesson and you can move forward in life. Okay, so these are the points or the tips that if you follow, you can be responsible enough for that. Okay, so read all the points, all 12 points, learn it, make points by your own so that you can learn it properly. Okay, now next class we'll discuss some examples, life examples, okay, those who are responsible and all and had some work for us. Okay, till then just revise the chapter up to this, whatever we have discussed. Try to read properly, understand the text properly, then only you can attend all the question answer. Okay, thank you class.